if you work with charts, sometimes you'll have charts and you'll see they're all different sizes. I'd like them all to be the same size. So I could either go to each one, go to format and fix it, and then try and remember what they were. Or if I've clicked on one chart, I hold Control down and I click on the other charts. When we've got that, you'll see it no longer says chart options, it's shape format. I could work with that, but I'd rather go and click on the size. So I can work with this, but notice this is telling us that some have got their aspect ratio locked and some haven't. I'm just going to switch that off. And then I'm going to go into height and put in 10, width 15. And you'll see now they're all exactly the same size. They are overlapping. So we are going to have to move them around. So I'm just going to do that just so we can actually see them next to each other. But you'll see they are now all exactly the same size. And I just have to line them up.